Greetings to you all. Welcome to class 10, unit 6, prose, the last lesson, book back exercise part 4. Dear children, already we have done all the exercise except grammar. Now today we are going to do grammar part, page 174. Subject verb agreement. So what is subject verb agreement? Okay? The subject and verb of a sentence should be in agreement with each other. A verb agrees with the subject in number and person. A singular object takes the singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. That singular subject takes singular verb. Plural subject takes plural verb. Okay, for example, for singular verb in a sentence, she is a good speaker. Sheங்கிறது யாரு? ஒரு ஆள். அப்போ she is தான் வரணும். She are ல வரக்கூடாது. Okay? Ramu is an intelligent student. Ramu is one. So is. Subhashini is an excellent dancer. Sunita is a great artist. He is a good person. Fine? Okay, இதெல்லாம் singular. Is எல்லாமே singular. Moving on to plural form. Example, for plural verb in a sentence, children are playing. Children is nariya பேரு. They have finished their work. Have ங்கிறது plural. Third one, Geeta and Sita have won the prize. இங்க have plural. You and I are friends. Are ங்கிறது plural. Two and two make four. Fine children? Okay. Now rules பார்க்கலாமா? Two or more single subjects joined by and take a plural verb. Two or more single subjects joined by and take a plural verb. For example, you and I love music. Second one, when two subjects are joined by as well as, the verb agrees with the first subject. That as well as vandadunaka. Her cousins as well as she are hardworking. அப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல என்ன இருக்குது? her cousins நிறைய பேர். ஸோ நார்மலாக as well as வரும்போது we should use only is. ஆனால் இங்கே ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருக்கிறதுக்கு தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுறது. Third one, either, neither, each, every and everyone are followed by a singular verb. Each of them is lovable. தனித்தனியா. ஸோ அதனால we are using is. Fourth one, when two singular nouns refer to the same person or thing, the verb must be singular. For example, ரெண்டு noun same தான் குறிக்குது. My sister and friend has come. அதாவது என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்டும் அவங்க தான், சிஸ்டரும் அவங்க தான். ரெண்டு சும்மா has. Fifth one, when two subjects express one idea, the verb is in the singular. அதாவது two subjects express one idea. 3 and 3 make 6. Sixth one, when a plural noun expresses some specific quantity or amount considered as a whole, the verb is in singular. For example, 30 liters of milk is too much for payasam. Seventh one, when two or more singular subjects are connected by with, together with, and not besides, no less than, the verb is in singular. He and not she is to blame. Eighth one, the verb agrees with the number of the nouns that follow the verb. There are 10 students in the crowd. Some nouns that are plural in form but singular in meaning take a singular verb. Tamil is my mother tongue. 10th one, a plural noun which is in the name of a country, province, a book is followed by a singular verb. For example, human values is of great importance. 11th one, a collective noun takes a singular verb. For example, the whole class is attentive. 12th one, a relative pronoun must agree with its gender, number and person. Example, it is I who is to write. Okay children, now let us do the exercise. Section A, fill in the blanks appropriately. Mahatma Gandhi dash the father of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Second one, there dash 10 dogs in my street. There are 10 dogs in my street. Third one, they dash to write the exercises neatly. They want to write the exercises neatly. Fourth one, buttermilk dash good for health. Buttermilk is good for health. Fifth one, fruits dash good for health. Fruits are good for health. Okay. Moving on to the next exercise, B section. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate verb. The quality dal dash not good. The quality of dal is not good. Second one, the horse carriage dash at the door. The horse carriage is at the door. Third one, my friend and teacher dash come. My friend and teacher has come. Fourth one, dash your father and mother at home. Are your father and mother at home? Fifth one, honor and glory dash his reward. Honor and glory is his reward. Sixth one, the ship with its crew dash sailing good. The ship with its crew is sailing good. Gulliver's Travels dash an excellent story. Gulliver's Travels is an excellent story. Eighth one, neither food nor water dash found here. Neither food nor water is found here. Ninth one, mathematics dash a branch of study. Mathematics is a branch of study. 10th one, 15 minutes dash allowed to read the question paper. 15 minutes is allowed to read the question paper. Fine, children? Okay, moving on to C section. Change the singular nouns to plural by either adding s or ies or es or ves. Singular and plural, okay? Leaf, leaves. So, F vandadunaka ves. Lorry, lorries. So, you remove the y and add ies. Bat, bats. Clock, clocks. Table, tables. Just add yes. Lamp, lamps. Doll, dolls. Biscuit, biscuits. Knife, knives. So, if it is ending with fe, you can use ves. Loaf, loaves, ves. Okay, children? Now, moving on to non-finites. Verbs are action words. They are divided into two, finite and non-finite. So, finite verb acts as a verb, acts as the main verb of a sentence or a clause. Indicate number, person and tense, and they are also used in the present tense and the past tense. They have to agree with the subject and change accordingly. On the other hand, non-finite verbs do not act as a verb. Non-finite verbs act as nouns, adjectives and adverbs. They do not indicate number, person or tense. And non-finite verbs are usually gerunds, infinites and participles. Alright? Okay, the different kinds of non-finites are infinites, gerunds and participles. So first let us do infinites. Infinites means full infinites. It means it is 2 plus a verb. 2 plus verb, to walk, to talk, like that. Example, Pushpa eats lunch with me. 2 plus verb. Eats is a third person singular. Present tense, tense main verb. So bare infinitive, it means it is a verb without to. Reena will help me. Okay. And now moving on to gerund. Gerund functions as a noun. So it is called a verbal noun. It also functions as an adjective. A gerund has the same form as a present participle. Gerunds are used in the following ways: as a subject and a kind of a noun. For example, reading is a good habit. Learning a language is always useful. இங்கே ஜெரண்டுங்கும்போது இங்கே ஒரு ஆக்ஷனும் நடக்கிறது இல்லை. அதாவது it means a noun plus verb. Okay, noun பாதி verb பாதி. Second one, as an object. Rita likes cooking. So likes da, she is not cooking, likes only cooking. Third one, as a compliment. Her liking is cooking. Fourth one, it is used in compound nouns. Bathtub, a tub to bathe. Okay, next one, participles, children. Participles come after an object to describe it and express the state of object is in. A present participle indicates an activity that is continuing and is in progress. A present or past participle can function as an adjective phrase to describe a noun placed before it. Example, the baby singing in the room is my child. The bird flying in the sky is the lark. The different forms of participles are the present participle, verb plus ing. For example, sleeping, sleeping. Okay, sleep plus ing. Second and past participles, verb plus d, ed or en, like plus d. For example, liked. Third one, perfect participles, having plus past participle, having plus finished, having finished. Fourth one, present, passive form, being plus past participle, being plus TOED, being, it means ed. Fifth one, perfect, it means passive form, having been, past participle, having been written. Participles are used as a verb. Example, Sita is sleeping. It is used as an adjective. Example, Sita is a retired principal. Okay, we'll move to D section. Identify the non-finites in the following sentences and underline them. Example, children love eating chocolates. So here, eating. Okay, that is only non-finites. Next one, Roshan dreams of becoming an architect. Here, that is becoming. Second one, we must aim at fulfilling Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's dream to make India the most developed country by 2020. Fulfilling. And you can write to make. Next one, third one, taking the children to the museum is Seema's responsibility. So, taking. Fourth one, having finished the work, the manager decided to return home. Having finished. Fifth one, traveling with her family, Tara enjoyed every minute of it. Traveling. Fine, children? Okay, moving on to the next section. E section, replace underlined words by a participle in the following sentences. Example, when young people wear soiled clothes on formal occasions to show rebelliousness. Answer, young people wear soiled clothes on formal occasions to show rebelliousness. Okay. Alright. First one, while Sudha was climbing the stairs, she tripped and fell down. So the answer will be climbing the stairs, Sudha tripped and fell down. Second one, after her evening prayers, my grandmother went to the temple. Having said her evening prayers, my grandmother went to the temple. Okay. Third one, since he is a king, he can order everybody. Being a king, he can order everybody. Fourth one, they took the last wicket and walked back to the pavilion. Taking the last wicket, they walked back to the pavilion. Fifth one, when he saw the train in the platform, he rushed. Seeing the train in the platform, he rushed. Now moving on to F section. Fill in the blanks with the correct alternative. Dash on the flute, Krishna returned it. So your options are played or having played. Having played on the flute, Krishna returned it. Second one, we wish she continues dash, healthy. Your bracket words are being or be. We wish she continues being healthy. Third one, the doctor advised him against dash in the sun. Your bracket words are wander or wandering. So the doctor advised him against wandering in the sun. Fourth one, I like dash rasam. Your bracket words are drinking or drink. I like drinking rasam. Fifth one, dash the scissors, I returned it to her. Your bracket words are using or having used. Having used the scissors, I returned it to her. Okay, children? Okay, next one. G section, tick the correct sentence. I had desired to eat a cake. Or, I had desired to have eaten cake. Which one is right? First one. I had desired to eat a cake. Second one. My son is fond of music. Or, my son is fond to music. Which is right? My son is fond of music. First one. Third one, Srina avoids eating fruits. Or Srina avoids to eat fruits. Which one is right? Srina avoids eating fruits. Fourth one, bravery is not to pick a quarrel. or bravery is not picking a quarrel. Which one is right? Bravery is not picking a quarrel. Fifth one, it is easier to say than do, or it is easier said than done. Which one is right? It is easier said than done. Okay, children? So I hope all of you understood. Keep listening. Keep reading many books. You will understand better.